iPhone 6s Plus short Wi-Fi antenna replacement guide. The tools we're going to need are tweezers for screw management, a plastic prying tool for unprying connections, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 00 or a 000 Phillips head screwdriver, a pentalobe screwdriver, Apple's proprietary pentalobe screwdriver, a plastic pick for prying the screen apart, as well as a suction cup. We'll begin by powering down the iPhone. Locate the two pentalobe screws near the charging port. Use the pentalobe screwdriver to loosen the two pentalobe screws. Once they're loose, you can pull them out. If the screen is badly damaged, you can use a piece of tape to put over it to make sure that you get a good seal with a suction cup. Place the suction cup as close as you can to the home button. While pinching the frame with your middle finger and your thumb, go ahead and pull with your index finger in the suction cup and insert the guitar pick right near the auxiliary port. Go ahead and tilt it left to right to create the crack. Now go deeper in on the left side and then gradually deeper in on the right side as well. Take your time when you're unclamming the phone. To the right of the top of the battery, locate the shield that protects the screen connections. Go ahead and remove the 5 Phillips head screws that guard the shield. This will allow us to expose the screen connections and disconnect the screen. Go ahead and remove the shield. With a plastic prying tool, go ahead and disconnect the 3 ribbon cables by simply sliding the plastic tool underneath them and just popping them out of their sockets. Remove the 2 screws that are securing the bracket over the ribbon cable. Go ahead and lift up the bracket. With a plastic prying tool, disconnect the ribbon cable. This ribbon cable goes over the antenna connection. Just pry it back. Go ahead and remove the Phillips head screw on the bottom of the short range antenna, and then on the top left. Okay, go ahead and disconnect the antenna. Gently pry up on it. It's tucked in under these little metallic arms. Go ahead and just untuck it from underneath the arm. Carefully pry in with your tweezers like you see here and pull the cable out of its socket. Now untuck it from the second little arm and then just completely trace it out. It should be free now. Next, we'll need to expose the 3rd Phillips head screw on the short range antenna. It's hidden by a piece of black tape. Just peel it away. Go ahead and remove the Phillips head screw. Okay, the antenna should now be free. You can go ahead and lift it up. Here's what it looks like up close. Reassembly. Place the antenna back into its socket in the following orientation. Secure the 3 Phillips head screws. Once you secure the 3 screws, go ahead and start tucking in the antenna cable. Go ahead and tuck the cable into the little latches and make sure it's clipped in the middle. Make sure everything's tucked in correctly. Now go ahead and connect the antenna back to the logic board. Make sure it's a nice solid connection. Reconnect the ribbon cable. Place the ribbon cable bracket over the ribbon cable and secure it with the 2 Phillips head screws. Align the screen with the phone. Go ahead and pry back the 2 ribbon cables and connect the 3rd ribbon cable on all the way on the right side first. Take your time, make sure it clicks into place. You don't want a non-sturdy connection. Now the 2nd ribbon cable went all the way in the top. Once again, take your time, make sure they click into place. And then finally the 3rd one. Sometimes it takes a bit of time to get it to go into the socket correctly. Once all 3 are plugged in, go ahead and secure the shield over them. Starting with the middle, secure the Phillips head screw in the middle first, then the one in the top right, and then the remaining 3 Phillips head screws. With all of the screws secure, we're now ready to clamp up the phone. Go ahead and pick it up. Starting in the top, tuck it in on the latches first, then start clamping it. Slowly on the left side, start going down and clamping it around the contour. Now turn the phone and do the same from the right side. Clamp it up. Once everything is firm and aligned, go ahead and resecure the 2 pentalobe screws. You can go ahead and insert them into their slots first and then tighten them up. Now power on and test the phone. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe and check out more awesome videos at appledollars.com.